Students, today this is a 15th video on elasticity. Here we are deriving an equation that is couple per unit twist. What do you mean by couple per unit twist? First, you must know what is a couple. Suppose there is a fixed point O, right? And this is a laminar body, some body, right? And I apply a force. This is a force. From here, you drop a perpendicular. This is perpendicular distance, right? Force into perpendicular. See, force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. This is called perpendicular distance. Is called moment of a couple. Moment of couple. What is moment of a couple? Moment of a couple. Moment of a moment of a force. Moment of a force. Moment of a force means rotating ability of a force. That is it, rotate. What is the symbol we use is tau. This is called tau. It is a vector quantity. This is equal to R cross F. That is called, see, this is D cross F. There, right? It's a cross product. Can you follow? When it rotates in this is called anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise, clockwise direction, that is a positive. Clockwise direction is negative. Anti-clockwise direction is called moment. You know what is called moment? Moment, rotating ability of the force. But suppose I write this is O, this is X, this is a force. Then what will happen? What is the moment? Moment of the force is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Can you follow? Now this moment, this is rotating, this is anti-clockwise, that is positive. Suppose there is another, this is called clockwise. This is clockwise. Now there is another force you are applying opposite direction, right? So that you don't want to rotate it. You want to stop the rotation, or you are preventing the rotation. If this is clockwise positive, this is negative. This is positive, right? Now consider a wire or a rubber cord or a cylinder, whatever it is, a rod, cylinder of length L. It is fixed at one end, right? Fixed at one end. Now I am applying a force here, this direction. I apply equal and opposite force. R is the radius. See, aerial view. This R is the radius. This is the force. R is the radius force. What will happen? Equal and opposite force give the rotational effect. Is it not? Clockwise. It twists in this direction. It try to rotate in this direction. What is it? Say this is called clockwise. You can call it clockwise. Now because of the elasticity nature of this material, there is an internal twist. This is called couple acting internally. This is called restoring couple. This is called what is applied couple? What you are applying is called, this is a twisting couple. This is called couple. You are twisting couple. Twisting couple. Couple twisted couple. That's what will happen. This is called restoring couple. This is called, it is happen within the material of the body. If somebody twist your hand, you will not allow it, right? But your nerve system and muscular system prevents that rotation. That is called internal twist. This is called restoring. You want to get back to its original position. Somebody twist your hand. If I twist it, what happened? But say I applied force, but the nerve system muscles giving a restoring force to prevent that. Otherwise, it will start rotating then, right? Therefore, now it has come to a rest because I am applying a maximum force. Otherwise, it will break. What happened? Applied twisting force is equal to restoring force under equilibrium, right? Under equilibrium, restoring force. That is called what you call. It is called couple per. This is called applied couple. That is what twisting couple you can call. Now here, what I am going to do is, see, remember, first you must know what is the any twisting or shearing. This is called shear. This word we use shearing force. Whatever the force I am applied is called not normal force. This is called shearing force. What is stress? Stress is equal to force per unit area. This is called shearing stress, is it not? And area is that. What is this called? Shearing force. Therefore, shearing force is equal to stress into area. Correct? Cross multiply. I know the force. Can you follow? Now, what is the rigidity modulus? Rigidity modulus is equal to, stress by strain. This is called shearing stress and shearing strain. Now, stress I want. What is the stress? Stress is equal to N into strain. This is called shearing strain. This is a strain. Shearing strain is what? Angle actually. This is some angle. Shearing angle. Now, here I'll write her. Okay. This is axis. Okay, O dash. Now I'll write one line, some reference line. That is A, B. Right? Let me call this is what X, something X. X distance. R is the X is the radius of this circle. Right? X. I am applying a force here. What force? This is called shearing force. Twisting force in called. Because of the twist at the lower end, this is called the lower end. Because upper end is what? Fixed. Upper end is fixed. I am applying at the lower end. What will happen? This portion B changes to B dash. That means this reference line shift from B to B dash. In other angle, you can write there is a angular shift. See, if you take L is the length of this wire or rod or rubber cord or something. This is also L. This is also L. Can you follow? Now what happened here? This is X. This is also X. This makes an angle theta. Suppose this may be 10 degree. This may be 25 degree. See how I'll write it properly here. See, look. This is A. This is A. B dash. See. B dash. By the time, because of this force, B changes to B dash. Now what? O. This is O. This is X and X. This B dash subtend an angle phi. But B dash subtend an angle theta at the center. B dash subtend an angle phi at A dash. A. B dash subtend an angle theta at O. B dash is common. There is a formula in PUC, first PUC you have studied. S is equal to R theta. S is called arc length is equal to R into theta. Same way, this is an arc length. What is B dash? B dash is equal to X into theta. This angle is not same as this angle. This may be 10 degree. This may be 25 degree. This is equal to, right? X theta is equal to, this is also what? L. Suppose this is L, you write it. Right? B dash is also equal to what? B dash is equal to L theta. L phi. Equate both. What do you get? B dash is equal to phi L is equal to X theta. Then what is phi? Phi is equal to X theta by L. What is phi? Phi is a measure of shearing strain. Got it? Now what? You got what is strain? Strain. What is strain? Strain is what? Shear. This is also called shear. Is a strain. Shearing strain is also called, called shear. It is the measure of angle through which this line, reference line rotates, psi Phi you got it. But phi you have got already this value, phi is equal to this one. And what is rigidity modulus? Rigidity modulus is equal to stress by strain. That means shearing stress and shearing strain. Rigidity modulus shearing stress. Strain is what? Phi cross multiplied. Shearing stress is equal to n phi. But stress is equal to force per unit area into n phi. Therefore, the force is equal to n phi into A. What type of force? This is called shearing force. Now, see this, in the when you observe in the notes, what I have done is I have taken this. What is that? Wire or a rod. This is I have taken in the radius R. R is the radius. Got it? Because strain, when I apply a force here, it is entire inside the body also the force is acting. Therefore, what I write, I imagine it's an annular ring. See, this is made up of annular. Imagine a lot of rings. Each ring is associated with a vertical cylinder. The radius varies from what? X varies from 0 to R. 0, x1, x2, x3 and R. Got it? Therefore, I am taking one particular what is that? How do you say? One particular cylinder, annular cylinder, right? Here what? There, if I take it, just I'll see this is the radius of the cylinder. See, this is the radius of the cylinder, right? This is made up of lot of annular rings, and each ring is associated with one cylinder. It is a cylinder. Each will say, therefore, I choose some distance, say x, some distance x from here, and the force, same force, shearing force is acting here also, right? The force into perpendicular distance, and force per unit area. Now, for that, what I wrote, I will draw a small circle here. What is circumference? 2 pi r. Consider a width dx. Form another ring, annular ring, right? Calculate this area. This area, right? This area, force per unit area. You are applying a force, stress. What is the stress on this area, annular ring? This means I'll take this annual ring alone. Annular ring alone, I take it. Got it? I take this annular ring. Now this value is x. This is dx, right? Here I am applying a shearing force. Force O. Force into perpendicular distance is called what? Moment. Moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. This is called shearing force. This is a moment due to this. Likewise, everywhere the moment is acting on twisting. This is called twisting couple. Therefore, total twisting couple is equal to integrating all this moment, that is couple on each annular ring, varies from the ring whose radius will vary from 0 to r. That means x equal to 0 and x equal to r. Tau. That means what you get? Tau is equal to 0 to r. Tau is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force is shearing force. In order to calculate the force, you need all that. What is the force? Force, where do you get? Because again, rigidity modulus you have studied now. Force, this force, you calculated. How to calculate the force? For that you need a strain. You know how to calculate the strain. Strain we have already calculated. Strain, right? Because of the force, this displaces. This is called shear. Then you got the relation between this. What is the relation? Strain, I got it, x theta by L. Therefore, you know what you got? Strain is called F is equal to strain is equal to x theta by L. I got it. Can you follow? Right. And this area, how to calculate this area? This area is very simple. Look, this is dx, isn't it? What is the length? 2 pi r. Therefore, you cut it and spread it like this. Cut it and spread it like this. This is dx. This length is what? 2 pi r. 2 pi, not r, 2 pi x. 2 pi x. Then what will be this area? Area is equal to length into breadth. Therefore, area is equal to, what is the length? Length 2 pi x into breadth is dx. Therefore, stress is equal to force per unit area. The force is equal to stress into area. And here are shearing stress. This is also shearing stress. Right? Then again what? Stress is equal, stress by strain is equal to phi. The stress is equal to phi. What is that? Stress by strain is equal to rigidity model. Stress is equal to N. Then you substitute here. Therefore, force is equal to what you get? Phi N. Phi N into A. You got it. That only you are doing it here. Therefore, look. If you read the notes, this already I have done in the class, regular class. This here I am applying the force here because of this strain starts, and the stress is on this area. If you consider a small annular ring, then what is that stress acting on this area? Force into perpendicular distance. That is called force is equal to force per unit area 1. Right? What is the area? Area is equal to length into breadth 2 pi x. We are done. Force into distance. We are done. Then again what? This relation we are done. Then again you are getting the force. Force is equal to what? Understood? These relations and all you have done, right? Okay, already we have done. Force into this. Then what is next? Force into area is equal to 2 pi x dx. Area I will substitute. Phi I will substitute here. Moment of a shearing force or twisting couple. Twisting couple about OO dash. That is with respect to this OO dash, this axis, right? OO dash is equal to force into perpendicular distance, force into perpendicular distance. Then total, what do you mean by total? This is what? Couple acting only in the small section, this section, right? Total couple is what? Integrating from x equal to 0 to x equal to r. Then the force I am substituting here, and I am putting the same value n phi, but phi is equal to what? Phi is equal to x theta by this one. Here one x is there, here one x is there, here one x is there. That was x cube. Then what? These are all are constant. I am taking 2 pi n theta, I am taking it out. Integral of x cube is what? You know this formula, I apply this one. Now some students have forgotten this integration. X to the power of n dx is equal to what? X to the power of n plus 1. N plus 1. That is what? 3 becomes 4. 4 by 4 plus c. Because I am dropping c because definite integral. And instead of x I am substituting this. 2 to get cancelled. This is called twisting couple. This is called twisting couple. Is equal to c theta. Theta I am isolating it. Therefore this is what? Couple per unit twist is equal to bring down this, right? Couple per unit twist is equal to pi this one. Therefore this is also called torsional. Couple per unit twist is also called torsional rigidity or modulus of torsion of the material. Therefore they may ask you the question, derive an expression in the examination, derive an expression for couple per unit twist. or they may ask you what is torsional rigidity or models of rigidity of a material of the wire. That material you are calculating. In the textbook, it is called twisting of a cylinder. It is given in the textbook and the notes also. Therefore, the notes already I have sent for you, right? After this, what happens next? This derivation is over. Next, write an expression. See, write a note on torsional oscillation. Obtain an expression. See, there are two types of oscillation. Obtain expression for period of the oscillation. See, there are different type of oscillations in our come across. See, if you take a body, right? O is this is the pendulum, right? This is the mass. Then this type of oscillation, to and fro motion, is called oscillation. Time taken for one oscillation is called period. Time taken. This is 1 second, this is 1 second. Therefore, what is the period is 2 seconds. Suppose this is 4 seconds and 4 seconds. The period is what? 8 seconds. This is 5 plus 5. That is to and fro motion, 10 seconds. Like this. Time taken for one oscillation. This is one aspect. Suppose you have a wire, a rod is kept here. Then what? Start oscillating like this. That is along the plane. See, in this plane, it start oscillating. This is the plane of the table. And start oscillating, not like this. It is oscillating in the plane. See, it's example. See, like this. There was this type of, this is twisting this direction. That means you see, suppose there is a rod or a disc or irregular body. You twist this one. This is called twisting couple. Then what happen? The wire give a restoring couple in opposite direction. When it, what is it? Consider a wire which is clamped at the upper end. It carries a uniform body. This is a uniform irregular body or a bar or cylinder. See, it may be a cylinder. What is it? A disc or a rectangular, a body or irregular body. Irregular body, right, in 2 dimensions, planar. This is a planar body only I am telling, right? Taking and you give a slight twist here. What will happen? It will start executing to and fro motion, right? Not like this. It is executing to and fro. This is to motion and fro motion. To motion, fro motion, like this. This type of is called torsional oscillation. Therefore, we are studying torsional oscillation. Here, torsional oscillation is also called vibration. Okay. Now, suppose you rotate through an angle theta. Then what is couple? What is the couple required to rotate 10 degrees? What? Couple per unit twist into theta. This is called twisting couple. This is called twisting couple. When you twist it, what happen? What will happen? There is a restoring couple, is that right? A restoring couple is formed. This is called restoring couple. The restoring couple is equal to I alpha, right? Because what is couple? See, again I'll tell you here, what is that? What is the force? Force into, what is the rotation? What is it? Linear momentum. Linear momentum, mass into linear velocity. Right? What is force? Force is mass into acceleration. This is called linear force. Angular force is called angular moment of moment. This is called what? I alpha. Right? This is the force required to be in the rotation. I is the moment of inertia. Alpha is the angular acceleration, which you have studied in the topic moment of inertia, right? Madam KCR will be doing this particular topic. I don't want to go detail into that. Therefore, what is alpha? Alpha is equal to angular acceleration. Alpha is equal to d omega by dt. What is omega? Angular velocity. That is d theta by dt. You substitute here. Alpha is equal to d by dt. Omega is equal to d theta by dt. All these things been done in that class. D square theta by dt square. Like this. But in the examination for this, you write exactly the notes. That is what? During the oscillation, what will happen? Restoring couple is equal to twisting couple under the equilibrium. Therefore, restoring couple is equal to this. Is equal to force into this is equal to equal and opposite. Right, where I is the moment of inertia, alpha is the angular acceleration. Here that is the thing. See, if theta is the angle which the wire is twisted, then the couple trying to restore the body, the expression is not c theta. If I is the moment of inertia of the body about the wire as axis, right? Couple produced by oscillation motion is equal to I alpha, where alpha is equal to what? Angular acceleration. Angular acceleration is equal to what? What is omega? Omega is equal to d theta by dt. Alpha is equal to d omega by dt. That is d by dt. Omega is equal to d theta by dt. Or you can write d square theta by dt square. Alpha. Therefore, alpha is equal to this. You got it. That only I am substituting here. You bring this side, divide, and I is amount of strain body about the axis, wire as axis, wire as the axis. Then what? This represents a simple harmonic motion of period t. Then what is the equation of simple harmonic motion? Is this one, right? Omega square. But what is omega square is equal to c by omega, taking square root of it, you got it. But omega is equal to theta by t, or theta is what? Maximum theta is what? 2 pi, 360. Time taken for one rotation is period. The 2 pi by t is equal to this. If you reverse this, what happens? See, 2 pi by t, you got this. If you reverse, t by 2 pi is equal to I by c, or t is equal to cross multiply, you get it. Period of oscillation, you get it. Or if you want, can frequency is equal to 1 by t also you can calculate. This 1 by 2 pi square root of c by I. All these things you can calculate. Right? Therefore, just this notes already I have said for you. Got it? If you want, you can take the screenshot of this. You can take the screenshot. Okay. See here, the question also is there. Clearly they have written it here. And a diagram. You can use the pause operation and take the screenshot on each section. Even descriptions also is given clearly. And apart from that, refer other teachers' notes also. From textbook you refer. Go through the YouTube. 2-3 times you do it. See this diagram. You'll understand how I have applied all that. See. The next calculation, that is derivation, how we are doing it. See in the exam, though it is very exhaustively really they're done in the examination, you can cut down certain topics, which are certain steps, right? Think that you are teaching to somebody else, then only you'll be getting that mastery over the subject. In fact, before doing this video, 3-4 times I have done, and anywhere, any place, I can do without looking. See, recollecting in the examination is your problem, that you need lot of practicing, right? Okay. Then we have done this, I already given for you. And this I have taken, I have sent these notes already. Okay. Thank you. In fact, now I have completed the elasticity of 15 videos are there. Each video, whatever it has uploaded, and in your group you can discuss, and student, you ask the student to send the video along with the notes. All compiled part, it is in the department, right? All the 15 videos I uploaded in my department, and even through the what is the channel also, not channel, right? That YouTube channel, that you can take it from that. And apart from all that, try to do on your own. Try to find out any mistakes in this, correct it, rectify, and do the best in the examination. Thank you. And on the contact classes, sometime due to what is that internet problems and all that, don't see. Try to adjust with the environment. You can't get 100% what is that output in the existing critical situations. But whatever the missing portions, topic, what are the missing things, you can make it up. It's very easy. Okay. Therefore, any suggestion, please send through the message. And thank you. That means I have completed the elasticity topic. Next, another topic, surface tension and viscosity. Each carries what is it, 4 hours. That will be done in a very short way. I will be sending you that video also. All right. And any suggestion, please message me. Thank you.